In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with Clockify. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zapier.com. This is the app that we can use to make the integration between ClickUp and Clockify happen. So click on Create from the dashboard and go to Zaps. From here, we would describe the workflow that we want to make. So type in connect ClickUp with Clockify. After entering, the Copilot AI will automatically help us with making this integration. Now, let's wait for the options that would be presented by the AI. So you can see it's automatically happening right here on your left. Now, it would help you with constructing the correct steps to make this integration happen. Now, so you can see there are many different options right here that you can use. And all you need to do right now is to connect and authenticate your accounts for both ClickUp and Clockify. So once that is done, wait for it. Now you should see you can now test this integration. Very easy, right? We simply typed in the prompt or the workflow that we want. And now once we sign into Clockify and connect this to our Clockify account, so you can see, once you've generated the API key and the data region, you can now use this integration with ClickUp and Clockify. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.